Showed up at work today. We are working with about, I think it was +4 on the way to work. Last week was -35, so a bit of a temperature jump.
I think it was -40 a couple days last week.
Okay.
Okay, 3 new builds this week. We've got 2 buses starting and 1 van. So it's gonna be the first of our spec builds called the Ponderosa Plus. Our first bus is a 40-footer, close?
34.
34? That's a 34-foot bus. It got a 20-inch roof raise. I'll pop down today and show off a few features and give a tour of the layout that's gonna be bringing this bus together. We've got a step. Can I step on this thing?
Oh yeah, step away.
Incredible. That is a sneaky step. Okay, so this build behind me here, this is Magpie. Magpie is being built for a client actually right here in Saskatchewan, so we're super excited. We're gonna get to see this bus driving around, hopefully. Very cool build. This is a 20-inch roof raise on a Thomas chassis. This unit will be completely decked out with solar, 4-season use capabilities, hot water, just about every household appliance you could fit. Okay, so we are gonna start by hopping into Magpie. I'm gonna show you guys a bit of the layout and where the build's at, I guess, right now. A lot has happened already. Cole has started on a new door system. All the sheet metal is installed. So this bus started with a lot of rust repair. So this kept Cole busy. So this panel's been replaced. We did have some panels replaced in the rear. So basically the whole back panel around the doors, that was replaced. Some structural was replaced, or some bumper, I guess, flanges, just for mounting the door against. But it is all clean now. I even believe this wheel well got hit. Yes. So obviously common places for rust to appear. When you're doing a big conversion like this though, obviously you want to tackle rust first. Start on a solid frame. So a good amount of exterior work has been done already. All of the sheeting after the roof raise, all of the roof sealing up top, all the lap joints and rivet heads. What else? You can see peeking at the top there, we've got the roof deck installed. Basically the exterior is ready for paint. We currently are getting the interior just built out a little bit further before it goes off. Okay, so you guys saw your nice door that Cole has built there and the steps that are being added. Once you come in, immediately we've got 2 couches. One, is that right?
Yeah,
2 couches. We got one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side. We've got some windows up top. It looks like 3 windows and 3 windows on this side. Okay, so this area that I'm standing in right now, this will be the kitchen. On this side, we're gonna have a fridge, stove with overhead range, overhead microwave actually. This side will be the sink. So small footprint in the kitchen. Right here, we're gonna have an office table. And right here we will also have another little office section. Okay, so if we make our way back, again, we're gonna have a little bit of a raise. So we're gonna have a step up right here. We're gonna come up, and immediately we're gonna be entering the bathroom. That's in this area where Frankie's standing right now. That's gonna be the bedroom.
Yep.
What are you starting on?
Well, I'm gonna grab my tape measure first because I forgot that. And I'm gonna be roughing in the electrical for this build.
Okay, so Frankie's starting on electrical in here. This build does seem to be flying. That's all I can say so far. Okay, there's the man that put together our first iteration of our steps. Happy?
Always. It omits that first big step that you always have. You actually have a half decent sized platform at the bottom as opposed to a tiny step this big. And when it raises the door up, now the driver can look out and see out the window. They rated for 300 pounds, Frank. Are you sure you can get on those?
I don't know, man.
Go on his back.
Yeah, if he gets on my back, it'd be close. Whoa! Whoa!
Easy.
Wow, those are the best stairs I've ever stepped on.
Isn't it beautiful?
Look at that. The highest of quality. It's like walking on a cloud.
Okay, so that was a quick tour of Declan's bus. The next build that pulled into our shop was Kyle's van. So this is the first Ponderosa spec I was talking about. That is a 2021 Ford Transit, and we really like that steel blue color. Quickly, a few features. It's gonna have solar system, 500 amps of lithium. It will sleep and transport 2 with a convertible bed for an extra guest. It'll have a full wet bath shower and composting toilet and full galley and kitchenette. Okay, let's hop in and check out the space. So subfloor is already in. And now I know the last couple days Christian has just been verifying our new layout. Making sure measurements line up. Coming in the side door here, you'd be looking at your kitchen right here, with microwave up above. Right beside it, this would be your wet bath. Full height with a door. On this side, that's where our bench is gonna be sitting. And then our uppers going the full length. So, all the way front to back. This wall will have some built-in custom wood cubbies. And this bed platform, it will actually be a gravity style bed, so feet and head can raise up and down. Okay, so if we come at this thing from the rear, you're going to end up with probably the bed platform sitting about here. All of this is storage. So we've got about 3 feet of storage right down the middle. This side will house the water system. There's 16 inches off that wall. Same thing here. This will be power system, 16 inches off that wall. So Frank's working hard getting this bus wired up. He does have a cool contraption going on. So this is that wire unit we built. Well, as you can see, Frank is currently pulling wire.
I'm a real boy. I'm a real boy.
You need a pull?
Nope. I think she's
Oh, it works well.
I know. I was like, I'm gonna try and slither it through the window, but
Why not?
not working too bad so far.